Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting up break reminders for your Threads account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the Threads app and tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to get to your profile page. From your profile page, tap the two lines button from the top right of the screen to open Settings. In Settings, select Account. In Account Settings, tap Take a Break. Here you can schedule reminders to take breaks once you reach the specified time limit on the app. You can choose between 10, 20 and 30 minutes or never. Take a Break has now been set up for your Threads account. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Threads tips and tricks.